Good morning, one and all present here. This is Sarala. Now let us see a topic TCP Transmission Control Protocol in Data Communication Network. Before entering into the subject, now let us see what are the objectives of the subject. To understand the division of the network functionality into the layers, be familiar with the components required to build different types of networks, categorize various unicast and multicast protocol, and their functionalities, and learn the flow control and the congestion control algorithm, and the last one to illustrate the various service offered by the application layer. Now let us see the course objective. On the successful completion of this course, the students will be able to. There is a first course outcome will identify the components required to build different types of the networks, and second one to choose the required functionality at each layer for the given application, and third one to identify the solution for each functionality at each layer, and fourth one trace the flow of information from one node to another node in the network, and fifth one to understand and differentiate the various unicast and multicast protocol for routing data, and sixth one to code the various utilities of the application layer and identify the functionalities. Now let us see what is meant by a transmission TCP. So TCP, you all know. So it is one of the protocol which is present in the transport layer. So you all know what are the protocols present in the transport layer. There are three types of protocol present in the transport layer. One is called as UDP, User Datagram Protocol, and second one is TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, and one more protocol is present which is called as a Streamlined Control Protocol. So we won't have much concentration on the Streamlined Control Protocol. We'll be having more concentration on two types of protocol, which is TCP and UDP. So now let us see what is meant by TCP. So it is used to how to distinguish among the multiple destination on a given mission, and how to initiate and terminate the stream transfer, and it is also used to format the data and acknowledgement the two computer exchange in order to have a reliable transfer, and it is give a procedures the computer used to ensure the data arrives correctly. Now let us see the packet format of the TCP segment. So this is the packet format of the TCP segment, which the first field will be the source port field and the destination port field, and next one will be the sequence number, acknowledgement number. Next one will be the header length, reserved for the future, and next one is the code bit. Next one reserved for the window, checksum window, urgent pointer, and next one will be the option, and last field will be the padding, and next will be the data to be sent out. So next one is the code bit, so which is used to identify the content of the segment. Urgent, so it is the bit will be the urge. So urgent pointer, ACK is nothing but the acknowledgement field, and PSH is nothing but the push field, and RST is nothing but the reset field, and SYNS is nothing but the synchronous field, and FYN is nothing but the finish field. So window is nothing but how much the data send, that is how much data the sender is willing to accept, that is called as a flow control. Urgent pointer specifies the position in the segment where the urgent data sends. Thank you.